सत श्री अकाल सारिਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਮੇਰਾ ਨਾਮ ਚਰਨਪ੍ਰੀਤ ਕੌਰ and I'm an IELTS trainer from AB Language School which is situated near Ramavandi bus stand opposite Ganesh Sweet Shop. We are a licensed IELTS coaching center with authorized IDP Center. ਅੱਜ ਆਪਾਂ ਗੱਲ ਕਰਨ ਜਾ ਰਹੇ ਹਾਂ writing module of IELTS and PTE. IELTS ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਦੋ writing module ਹੁੰਦੇ ਆ, task 1 and task 2, same as the PTE. Write the written test and summarize the written test and an essay. PTE ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਜਿਹੜੀ summarize the written test ਹੁੰਦਾ ਉਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਇੱਕ ਪੂਰਾ prompt ਸਾਨੂੰ given ਹੁੰਦਾ. We have to club that all prompt in one sentence with fanboys and other connecting conjunctions. And the second task of PTE is essay writing. ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ templates ਹੁੰਦੇ ਨੇ, ਉਹਨਾਂ templates ਨੂੰ follow ਕਰਕੇ ਆਪਾਂ essay ਲਿਖਣਾ ਹੈ. For on the other side, IELTS ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ writing task 2 ਹੁੰਦੇ ਆ, task 1 and task 2. Task 1 for journal will be the letter writing and for academic will be the report writing. And second will do the essay. Task 1 ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਹਰ ਇੱਕ sentence structure vocabulary ਆ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ provide ਕੀਤੀ ਜਾਊਗੀ class ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ. And in essay we have like 7 different kind of essay in IELTS writing tasks, which is agree disagree formally, agree disagree partially, discussion type, advantage disadvantages, advantage disadvantage outweigh, and problem solution. So this is the major difference between IELTS writing and PTE writing. And for the modules we will discuss in the later sessions. Good luck, enjoy your day and see you soon. Thank you.